Yes, you read that title correctly. I'm about to show you in this video how you can use DoorDash to get to that bag. Now, before we get into the video, I do want to make a quick disclaimer and say that DoorDash in of itself, Uber Eats, Uber, Instacart, like all these other rideshare apps, you're not going to get rich off of them. So you're probably wondering why that I make this video. I'm about to show you. Depending on how much you do, let's just say for DoorDash, let's say you're making on a good day, let's just say on an average good day, you can get $100 a day. $100 times 365 days, that's 36,000. It's not terrible. For the time that you put into it, there are definitely better options out there. But what I'm about to show you in this video, as a young person, a young man, a young woman, you know, somebody that's out here that's grinding, you got dreams, aspirations, you're just trying to get your foot in the door, trying to get things moving, trying to get things shaking. I'm gonna show you how DoorDash is really something that you could use to your advantage, or Uber Eats, Uber, like I said, whatever app it may be. Really use these apps to your advantage to get you some bread to really get the ball rolling with your life. So I started doing DoorDash like 2 years ago, back during the pandemic. And during that time, I had started my clothing brand, Say Less Lifestyle. And so we started the brand with literally $0, nothing. We were trying to find ways how to promote, how to advertise on social media, how to get our gear, and it has influencers, paying people to promote our merchandise, promote our brand. And so, you know, during my free time, during the summer, I had nothing but time on my hands. I would just ask my parents if I could use their car. I would get in the car, open the DoorDash app, Instacart app, whatever it may be, and just get some moving. And in that time, I was really able to stack up bread, not only that my business could use to grow my business, but also a little bit of money that I could use for my own personal life. So the way to use DoorDash to come up in your life is to invest the money that you make with DoorDash, with Uber, with Instacart into another source of income. And in today's day and age, there are so many different ways that you can make money, especially online. Social media marketing, drop shipping, clothing brands, stock trading, crypto, like the list goes on and on. It just comes down to how creative you are. And even bigger than that, what problem are you willing to solve in the world? Business is nothing more than a monetization of solving problems. So when you figure out a way to solve a problem in a specific niche, just make a business around it, and that's when the money will come. And so like I said, DoorDash isn't going to make you a millionaire, but it could give you a little bit of capital that you need to get your brand, get your business up and running. That can make you a millionaire in the future. It's important to have a definite chief aim in mind when you're doing DoorDash. If you're going to be doing DoorDash, if you're going to be trading your time for money using these apps, it's important that you have a definite chief aim in mind. It's important that you have a goal in mind, a specific set goal. What are you going to do to get yourself out the mud? What plan do you have? Don't just hop in the car and start driving around trying to make money and not have a plan for what you want to do with that money. And so the first step is to decide where you're going to invest your money into once you make it from DoorDash. And you want it to be something that's guaranteed to be profitable. I did mention earlier stocks, cryptocurrency, like those are definitely good ways to make money. But in my personal recommendation, that shouldn't be your number one main focus, your main stream of income. That should be something that once you already have a stream of income going, then you can invest your extra money that you're willing to lose, money that you can afford to lose. You can put into stocks, crypto, whatever it may be. But when you're first starting off, come up with a stream of income that's reliable, that's consistent. Something where you know, if I put in $1, I'm gonna get $10 back. If I put in $2, I'm gonna get $30 back, whatever it may be. And so service-based businesses, especially online, if you're a young person, if you're tech savvy, I highly recommend starting anything along the lines of a social media marketing agency, web development, anything that's, you know, 100% digital online, doesn't require a lot of inventory or overhead. You're just able to leverage your skills, able to build relationships, go out and get clients, and then use that to start bringing in some money. And so let's say you're going to start a social media marketing agency. You can use the money that you make from DoorDash, from Instacart, from Uber Eats, and take it and invest into your social media marketing agency. Whether you're going to run ads to get new clients, whether you want to hire people to help you in your agency, a lot of different ways you can leverage your money and invest your money into your business in order to get more money out of your business and make that business a consistent stream of income. And so like I said, have a definite chief aim, have a goal in mind. what you're going to do with this money. Let's say you go out on DoorDash and you plan to make $100. Before you even step in the car, you say, okay, I'm going to go out here on DoorDash. When I make $100, I'm going to then split $50 with myself, and I'm going to go take the other 50, put it in my business bank account, and spend $5 a day over 10 days on traffic to my website and getting new leads for my business. Stuff like that. Just be real definite on what you're going to do. And like I said, having that mainstream of income that you can invest your DoorDash profits into, that's how you want to come up off of DoorDash. That's a whole bunch of stuff that you can get into. I'm sure there's other videos that you can look up on YouTube on like how to really maximize your DoorDash experience. But for the purpose of this video, just know that when you learn to really maximize your time on DoorDash, because that's the thing, you're trading your time for money now so that you don't have to trade your time for money later. You're sacrificing now so that you can reap the benefits later. So moral of the story of this video, have a definite chief aim. Know why you're doing DoorDash. Yeah, if you want to use DoorDash to make extra $500 a week, to use for whatever it may be, like, that's cool. But as the title of the video says, if you really want to come up off of DoorDash, if you really just want to come up in life, apps like DoorDash, Instacart, Uber are really a great way to help you get out the mud, provide you some initial capital to really then go and invest into a profitable business that can eventually grow to the 6-figure, 7-figure mark. So yeah, saying that, that's really all I have for this video. I just really want to encourage somebody out there that may be young, that may not, have a job, or maybe looking for ways to make money. This is a strategy that I use in my own life, and now my business has turned into a 6-figure brand, all coming up off of making $50 to $100 a day off of DoorDash, and then going back home, I maybe take, a couple bucks for myself, and then send the rest to my brand and let the brand eat off of that, until my business got to the point where it was able to support itself and make money on its own. So with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more entrepreneurship, finance, mindset, self-improvement content. Be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. Even let me know what other videos you want to see from me next. Be sure to turn on post notifications so that you never miss another video. My name is Eddie Scott. I appreciate you. Hey, let's be great. Let's get it.